this is the easiest app that you can start using right now to start making money. So guys, if you want to start making some few extra bucks for December, please make sure you watch this video until the end. Step by step I'll show you how to use this app, and to create an account it will take you less than 10 seconds, guys. So before I start, I just want to send a shout out to Limitless Minds. You've been saying you're subscribed to this channel and you never got a shout out. Today I'm giving you a special shout out to you, bro. So without wasting time, let's start. So guys, the link of this app will be in the description, but the first link in the description, click on that link and create your account, right? So make sure you use your Gmail account, so it will take you like less than 10 seconds to create it, right? To create your account. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm on home page surveys, right? So as you can see, so far I have $9.89, right? When I click right here, I can see right here the user my details right here, right? So you can see right here, you only use your account, your Gmail account. You don't have to enter your names, your address and all those kind of things. So make sure you also allow this app to use your location, so you can start receiving surveys. So right now I have one survey that I can answer, right? And right here is games, right? Just come to games, click on view games offers, click on start playing. So sometimes they might not be available games, right? So let's see right now if they are any available. So as you can see right there, we have nothing right now. So make sure you come here and keep on checking it, right? Make sure you keep on checking it, right? So right there is on referrals, right? On referrals, share a link with your friends and family, even on Facebook, so you can start getting some bonuses, right? So right here is where we'll cash out, right? You can cash out via PayPal, Visa, Uber and Uber Eats. So right now I don't have a required amount, right? So you can see the minimum amount that you can withdraw is 250, right? So I'm gonna keep on using this app, guys. I'm gonna keep on using this app to make money, and I'm not the only one who is using this app, right? So you can see right here, people are making money, guys. People are making money. So if you also want that the other app that I'm using right now to make money, please make sure you check out this video right here.